Hello student, hope you easily understand the topic electrical energy as well as electrical power. Now we will discuss some numericals related to this topic electrical energy and electrical power. Before solve the numericals, we just take one glance on the formulas of electrical energy and electrical power. So this is the electrical energy formula. E is equal to V into Q. Q is equal to VIT. E is equal to I square RT. E is equal to V square upon R into T. E is equal to P into T. If you remember, in this case we will take in volt, Q as a coulomb, resistance we will take in ohm, time in second, current in ampere, then power in watt, then we will get the energy in joule. Whereas if we required the answer in kilowatt hour of the electrical energy, we can pick any formula as VIT, I square RT, V square upon R into T or P into T, but condition is firstly divided by 1000 and time should take in hours. If you will take time in second and don't use the divided by 1000, then you will get the answer in joule, as I already told you. As concerned to power, again for power there are the formula P is equal to E upon T, P is equal to VI, P is equal to I square R, P is equal to V square upon R, and unit of power is watt or joule per second. Using all this formula, we will discuss some numericals. So first numerical, an electrical bulb of resistance 500 ohm draws current 0.4 ampere. From source, calculate power of the bulb and potential difference at its end. So what's given here? First given is the resistance 500 ohm, current 0.4 ampere. So power formula you can easily use here I square and we will get the answer 80 watt. Same way for potential energy, we are using here Ohm's law, V is equal to IR, and we will get the answer 200 volt. In next question, a current of 2 ampere is passed through a coil of resistance 75 ohm for 2 minutes. How much energy, heat energy is produced and how much charge is passed through the resistors? So first there is given current, second resistance, third is time is given, but be careful, don't take time in minute. Never take time in minute, either take in second or in hours. So if you will take in second, you will get the answer electric energy in joule, whereas if you will take in hours, you will get the answer in kilowatt hour. So here we are using for heat energy formula I square RT. I is given, R is given, very simple way. Whereas T is given in minute, firstly we will convert into second. Substitute all these values and we will get the answer for heat energy. Same for charge. Charge formula I is equal to Q upon T or Q is equal to I into T from the definition of current. We will get the charge answer 246 coulomb. Next question. Calculate the current through a 60 watt lamp rated from 250 volt. What's given here? Here is given power 60 watt, voltage given 250 volt. But question is, first question, find out the current. So using formula P is equal to VI, we can easily find out the current. Question twisting in second part. So question is, if we will reduce the voltage from 250 volt from 250 volt to 200 volt, what is the power in that case? So firstly we have to find out the resistance of the appliance, because resistance will be same in both case. Other variable will be vary, maybe current, maybe voltage. So firstly I will find out the resistance from first part, that we will consider, that is the second part, and I will find out the power. In next question, electric bulb is rated 100 watt 250 volt. What is its resistance and what safe limit can be passed through it? Here is rating is given, means power is given, voltage is given. We have to find out the current using formula P is equal to VI. We can find out the current. Find out the resistance. We can using formula P is equal to V square upon R. We can easily find out its resistance. Next question. A bulb of power 40 watt is used for 12.5 hours each day for 30 days. Calculate the electric energy consumed. So here is consumption given for 1 day. Power is given 40 watt. We are required answer in kilowatt hour. So we are using formula P into T upon 1000. Power is given, time is given, divided by 1000. We will get the answer in kilowatt hour. But that is consumption for 1 day. We are required here 30 days. So multiply with 30, we will get the answer for 30 days. In next, electrical appliance having resistance of 200 ohm is operated at 200 volt. Calculate the energy consumed in 5 minutes in joule in kilowatt hour. So if answer is required in joule, we will take time is in minute. So if answer is required in kilowatt hour, we are required time is in hours. That is the difference. And second, in kilowatt hour, we are using divided by 1000. Here we will not use a divided by 1000. Substitute the value and we will get the answer. Next question. A bulb rated 12 watt to 24 watt operated and 12 volt battery for 20 minutes. Calculate current flowing through it. Here is given voltage. Here is given power. So here is given time also 20 minutes. But don't use time as in minute. We will convert into second and we will get the answer in joule. So energy is equal to P into T, 24 power time 1200 second, and we will get the answer in joule. Next question. Two bulbs rated 60 watt 220 volt and second bulb 60 watt 110 volt respectively. Calculate the ratio of their resistance. So here is given two different case. One voltage 220 volt, second case power 60 watt, voltage 110 volt. We are required the ratio between their resistance. So first we will find out second resistance, then simply find out its ratio. In next question, what's there? Three heater, each rated 250 watt and 100 volt are connected in parallel to the 100 volt supply. Here is one heater whose power is 250 watt and voltage 100 volt. So we are required firstly total current in the circuit. So firstly I will find out the current across each heater, but all are connected in parallel. So current will be sum up of all these three. So total current 7.5 ampere. Second, individual question regarding the heater. For find out the resistance of each heater. For that we know the power, we know the voltage, so we can easily find out its resistance using formula P is equal to V square upon R. Third, energy supplied in kilowatt hour, three heaters. That means total circuit we are required the information. So total circuit current we know 7.5 ampere. Total voltage we know 100 volt. Time is 5 hours. We can easily find the electric energy VIT upon 1000 and answer will come in kilowatt. Now next question, a bulb is connected to a battery of potential difference 4 volt and internal resistance 2.5 ohm. A steady current of 0.5 ampere flows through the circuit. So according to the question, what's given here? One battery. I have drawn one battery whose potential difference 4 volt and internal resistance 2.5 ohm and current flowing in the circuit 0.5 ampere. Total energy supplied by the battery in 10 minutes. Time is again given in minute. We convert into second because we are required in answer of electric energy in joule, means SI unit. So total energy is required. Current in the circuit is given 0.5 ampere. The potential difference across the circuit is given 4 volt. So using formula VIT we will find out the electric energy in joule. Second, there is required the resistance of the bulb. So we know what's given here. We know the EMF is equal to current into total resistance. EMF is given 4 volt. Current is given 0.5 ampere. Total resistance R plus 2.5. So using this we can easily find out the resistance of the bulb. Next is energy dissipated in bulb, means how much energy is consumed by the bulb. So we are required the information regarding bulb in 10 minutes. Time is given again minute. We will convert into second. Current of the bulb, current across the bulb flowing, that is 0.5 ampere because current is connected in series and in series current will be same, that is equal to the current in the circuit. Resistance of the bulb we know 5.5 ohm. Using formula I square RT we can easily find out the electric energy of the bulb. Next question. Two resistor A and B of resistance 4 ohm and 6 ohm respectively are connected in parallel. So two resistor are connected in parallel, 4 ohm and 6 ohm connected across one 6 volt battery. Question is power supplied by the battery. So power supplied by the battery means we are required the battery information. So we are required the power consumed by the battery. We know the firstly we know the resistance. Total resistance we will find out in the circuit 2.4 ohm and battery is voltage 6 volt. Using formula P is equal to V square upon R we will find out the power consumed by the battery, because that is the matter of the battery, means we are associated with the total circuit. But now individually we have to find out the power supplied by 4 ohm, means we are required the individual information. So as both are connected in parallel and in parallel voltage will be same, means voltage across 4 ohm 6 volt, voltage across 6 ohm again 6 volt. So using this information, voltage 6 volt, resistance 4 ohm, using formula P is equal to V square upon R, we will get the answer 9 watt. Same way power supplied by 6 ohm. 6 ohm voltage 6 volt because it is also connected in parallel. Voltage we know, resistance we know, using formula P is equal to V square upon R, we can easily find out the power. If you will say total power 15 volt distributed into two parts, 9 plus 6 means 9 volt across this, 6 volt across this. Next question. An electric toaster draws current 8 ampere in a circuit with source of voltage 220 volt. It is used for 2 hours. Find the cost of operating the toaster if cost of electric energy rupees 4.50 per kilowatt hour. So that is the question related to find out the electricity bill. So here is given only one appliance, toaster. In toaster, that is current is given, voltage is given, time is given. So firstly we will find out its energy using formula VIT upon 1000. Upon 1000 because we are required the answer in kilowatt hour. Time we always take in hours. So cost of 1 kilowatt, we find that total consumption 88.25 kilowatt hour. So there is given the cost of 1 kilowatt hour rupees 4.50. So cost of this much kilowatt, you can easily find out the bill regarding that toaster. That answer is rupees 15.84. Hope you easily understand all these questions. Other question related to this question, try to solve it. Still you have problem, you can ask to me in WhatsApp. Thank you.